Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy Mathematics for All. Now I'm going to discuss a very important topic, matrix, which is a very important part of mathematics and a very important and useful for 11 and 12 classes and also for senior classes. So before I start the topic, one thing I want to say, so please subscribe my channel, okay guys? That will definitely motivates me. So I'm just going to start right now. Firstly, just the definition of matrix you can see. So now, what is the meaning of matrix? Matrix means set of numbers arranged in rows and columns so as to form a rectangular array. So what is the meaning of this? Set of numbers. So what is the meaning of set of numbers arranged in rows and columns? So guys, I'll tell you one thing. This is row, horizontal. Okay. So this is column, up to down, vertical, row and column. So this is the matrix. Like I'm writing here 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is the row, first row, this is the second row, just like this. First row, left to right, second row. Now column, first column, second column. So order of the matrix is 2 by, okay, it is 2 by 2. Okay guys, 2 by 2 means it will have 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, yes, 2 by 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. That means 4 number of elements, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this 2 stands for row and this 2 stands for a column. Okay, so this is the matrix. Actually I'm just showing you the one more example for this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 rows. Row always comes first. 1, 2. How many columns are there? 2. So the order is 3 by 2. So this is the order. This is the method in which we can find the order as well. Okay, so this sign, brackets, denotes the matrix and these are all elements of matrix and this is the order. Row always comes first, column always comes later. So row, I tell you, from left to right, horizontal, columns always vertical. So this is the row, one row, second row, one column, second column, 2 by 2. 2 stands for row, this 2 stands for column. Here I will say cross as a by, by, 2 by 2. Okay, so now, so this is an example you can see now. This I have marked the arrow, row, left to right, then up to down, column. Okay, this I have already told you. So now what is the representation of a matrix? So now I'm just going to discuss the representation. So how to represent? Always we represent matrix in this manner. Aij, M cross N. Okay, Aij. Actually, this is a element. This denotes the element of the matrix. M stands for row, N stands for column. So if I have to represent a matrix in 2 by 2, according to this, then how to represent? Then take a bracket, take a matrix. See, 2 rows and 2 columns should be there. A1, A1, A2. This is the trick actually. Now here counting 1, 2, 1, 2. See, this is okay. If I have to represent in a 3 by 3 form, then how I will represent? See, 3 row and 3 column. Firstly A1, 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 A2, 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 then A3, A3, A3. See, 3 rows are there, 3 columns are there. Now counting 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Beginning always from 1. Okay, so this is the representation. So it means sometime like it is given, sometime it is given 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6 and also 7, 8, 9 it is given. And the question is find A13. So what is the meaning of A13 guys? A13, that you know, this is A11, this is A12, this is A13. So answer is, what is the answer? Answer is 4. But actually, what is the meaning of A13? Because you can't waste your time by writing all this. So A13 means first row, third element. This is the first row. What is the third element? That is 4. Suppose I'm going to ask A31, third row, first element. Which is the third row? This is the third row. Which is the first element? 7. Okay, in this manner you can find all these. Okay, so now the next. So this is the representation I have just wrote over there. Now the next thing, if the matrix has 12 elements, then what are the possible orders it can have? See how to find the order if the matrix has 12 elements. So see, 12 comes in which table? That will be the answer. So 12 comes in 2 by 6, 6 by 2, 4 by 3, 3 by 4, comma 1 by 12, comma 12 by 1. So it means this is the answer. This is the possible orders. And similarly, if the matrix has, suppose if the matrix has 13 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? The answer is 13 by 1, comma 1 by 13. That's it. So this will be the answer. Okay. So now the next question is, guys, see, we will discuss the question later. Firstly, we will discuss the types of matrices. Okay. So now what are the types of the matrices? See, the first one is rectangular matrix. So what is the meaning of rectangular matrix? A matrix is said to be rectangular matrix if M is not equal to N. Now what is the meaning of M? M stands for row, N stands for column. If M is not equal to N, then we will say it is a rectangular matrix. Example is written over there. You can see here is so this is the first row, this is the second row, this is the third row. So how many rows are there? It means, so how many rows are there? So it means we have 3 rows are there. Okay, guys. So how many columns are there? Cross, 1 column, 2 column. So now you can see, guys, 3 is not equal to 2 because we are not matching the elements. We are matching the only rows and columns. Rows and columns should not be equal to each other. So now you can see in this question there are 3 rows, 1, 2 and 3. So 2 columns. So 3 is not equal to 2. So this is a rectangular matrix. Okay, guys. Now the next one. Now what is the meaning of a square matrix actually? Yes. So what is the meaning of a square matrix? A matrix is said to be square matrix is said to be, STB means said to be square matrix See, a matrix is said to be a square matrix if M is equal to N. So this is the example for you. M is equal to N means number of rows are equal to number of column. So 2 rows are there and 2 columns are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take any example like this, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. You can take any example. But number of rows should be equal to number of column. So row matrix. Now you will write here the same line. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if there is only one row. Okay, guys, a matrix is said to be row matrix if there is only one row. Remember one thing, now we are not talking about the column. Column may be any number. So, but the row should be one. Okay, if there is only one row, but we are not talking about the column. Column may be any number. So what is the example of this matrix? Okay, I'm just writing the example over there, but the row should be 1, guys. See, 2. This is also an example. 2, 3. See, this is here is 1 row, but columns are 1, 2. So 1 by 2, but the row is 1 actually, but the columns are 2. But we are not talking about the column because row is 1. See, this is the row, but the column 1, 2. Similarly, you can write the example. Another example you can write. I'm just going to tell you the second example. The second example for the row matrix is C 5, 4, 3, 6, any kind. Like, see, this is there is only 1 row, but the columns are 4. The row should be 1. Okay, similarly now you can write the column matrix. So what is the meaning of the column matrix? Now similarly you can write a matrix is said to be a column matrix. You can write by your own if there is one column. Okay, if there is one column, a matrix is said to be a column matrix if there is only one column. So what is the example of a column matrix? So it means column should be 1. Okay, we will not discuss about rows, but the column should be 1. So example, what is example? 1, 2. See guys, the columns are 1, but the rows are 2. 2 by 1. Clear to you? So similarly you can take a second example for the column matrix. 2, 5, 6, 4. See, column is 1, but the rows are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 1. A matrix is said to be a column matrix if there is only one column. No condition on rows. Okay. So now the next one is diagonal matrix. So now what is the meaning of diagonal matrix? Now the next one is diagonal matrix. So what is the meaning of a diagonal matrix? In which all elements except diagonals are 0. Diagonals we all know, guys, from left to right. This is a diagonal. See, only diagonal element should be present while all other are 0. See, this is 0, this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is the example of a diagonal matrix. Moreover, you can see, so see, this is a diagonal, guys. So these are 0. This is diagonal. These are 0. Except diagonals, each and every entry should be 0. That is the called diagonal matrix. Okay. So now the next one is scalar matrix. Now I'm not talking about the square. Square we have discussed. Okay. But now I'm just going to discuss scalar matrix. Scalar, what is the meaning of a scalar matrix? In which actually a scalar is itself a diagonal matrix. It is a type of a diagonal matrix. But what is the meaning of a scalar? In which diagonal entries are same. Yeah, this is just like a diagonal, but diagonal entries should be same.